Jarvis's JC3A air dehider has an extra thin head that slides in easily to reduce damage to the hide and the carcass. The greater blade exposure covers more skinning surface, which gets the job done faster. And the cutting blades are machine ground with perfectly maintained tolerance for longer life and easier dehiding. It has a full 420-watt air motor. It uses low air volume, only 11 cubic feet per minute at 45 psi. You get great energy savings between 1.7 to 2 kilowatts per hour per dehider. Multiply that by total hours of work each year, and you can imagine what that can save you in energy costs. The JC3A is well balanced, making it easier to grip and handle, and that means smoother operation and less fatigue.